artistically section it. You have to bend a little. Melody. Yeah, bend. I know you want to watch, but bend, okay?
That's cute. No,
Come on, don't touch your
cake
cookie.
in the kitchen. Cake.
Baby? Benny?
Pin, baby.
Mama, look here.
Baby.
Say
Mama's
hi.
here. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Baby. Baby.
So guys, for this hairstyle on this day, I spent about 5 hours making the hair for all 3 of them. And it took this long because my last baby, of course, like she's doesn't sit so still as easy as the others. So you have to follow her around, pet her, and eventually you get it done, you see. So that's why it took about that hour. So for Melody and Harmony, they are a bit older and they can sit still if you just engage them with some TV or cartoon or whatever they like to watch, and then they sit down and allow you to make their hair. I've been making their hair since when they were little, right from when they were born. And I think going on, I think I'm going to be their stylist still. So that's it. Come on, sit still. Stop shaking the chair.
Hi, Uncle.
Look up. Right now, Melody's hair is all done. You can see, guys, how beautiful and simple it looks, all put together. Here's Peniel, and hers was already done earlier and it's looking so cute. So right now, I'm about to start Harmony's hair. Yes, and it's almost evening at this time, and guys, they are becoming hungry and wanting what to eat. And guys, my babies have already started going on errands for me. You can see Melody just gave Harmony an apple. Yes, she took it from the fridge. She washed it herself. I asked her to, and she did. Guys, when your hand is full, you start to make your kids go on errand very early, and they are really, really ready and want to help me. Sometimes they just be like, "Mommy, can I help you? What do you want me to do?" And it softens my heart, guys. So at this point, these snacks help. She had to give an apple to Harmony, an apple to Melody, at least to buy me some time until the hair is almost done. So I'm almost done with the hair and wrapping up, and it's getting late and almost dinner time and bedtime. So I have to finish this hair fast and then get on with other things. Guys, at this point, you can see that Peniel has started to become clingy, like she's wanting attention. and she's climbing all over and doing her stuff. You see, like, guys, it's not easy over here, but we're getting it done. God is helping us. Stay tuned. I'm going to be telling you a lot of story about my girls, about how I gave birth to them, about how good God has been raising them in this place without help, about how loving and caring they can be. You see, the miracle that they are, all three of my babies, guys. My baby girls came early. They were born prematurely, but you can see they're not premature anymore. They are big girls. How many, if you look at their sizes, is quite bigger than Melody, and it's always been like that since they were in the womb and born. She's always been the bigger. Guys, I don't know if at some point Melody is going to grow and catch up and become bigger, but guys, I tell you, they are both so healthy and they beat the odds. The doctors didn't give even one of them a 20% chance of living, but you can see my joy, my miracle. So I'm happy to be their stylist, guys. Just stay tuned. This week, this was the hairstyle we brought you. 2-step. Will you be trying it? Stick. Next time we will be bringing you another style. So these are the hairstyles that I make for my baby girls and get them all put together, and it's smart looking and it's fast to do. Like I said, we make all the attachments, we make beads also, but for school, for kindergarten, and for just normal life day, I do this. I resort to doing all the hairstyles we used to do back in our school days. So for today, this is it, guys. This is it for hairstyle and weekend and Saturdays with me. Until the next video, guys. Bye for now.
No. 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 Yes! Mommy, throw it!
You're supposed to trash it. Clean up.
No. No. Yes! Yes! Yeah.
Why is screaming?
No! Sit down. Hey, don't shake it!
Baby, hey. Daniel. Sorry. Yeah, wait now. Soon finish, yeah? Okay. I'm almost done.
Tiny carrot.
Hello, baby.
It's almost done, Mommy. Mine is almost done. Mommy.
quickly, quickly. It's paying you. Sorry. Someone's gone.
You're gonna break it! 1, 2, 3. There you go. I'll join you. Anyway.
Melody, show me your hair. Nice. Sorry, baby. Oh, show me your hair. Wow, beautiful. Wow, baby. Baby, I'll take you off.